go to that Google CEO or Indra Nooyi of the world. First and the foremost is the parents who have actually got you the seeds and they are aspiring to make you reach somewhere sometimes. I am also parent of a two daughters, so I can understand. Because when we started 30 years back, we did not have a formal education system. System was there, but our family was not that great to give us that education. So we had to fight between juggle between the work and to make our own career. So I am very proud to say that 30 years back, where you see Hyatt Regency Hotel today, I was a simple security guard over there. Okay? But while I was at the guard post, I did not think even once that I am not going to reach somewhere here. Why? Because I had that dedication in my life. You know, I could have given you first those marketing jargons and the operational basics and everything. Why I'm saying this? Because I'll just take some 10-15 minutes to tell that where I was and where I am today. So most of the questions will be answered in those journey itself. And besides, after that, if there is anything that you have, any difficulties, anything that you feel that I could be, capable enough to take your questions and I can clear your doubts, I will be more than happy. So, 30 years back when I was a security guard, I never used to think that I want to become a CEO or a president of India. You have to target yourself within the reach. जहां मेरा हाथ इतना पहुंचता है उससे मैं 1 फीट या 6 इंच दूर पहले टारगेट करूं. The moment I become closer, I increase the target. That's what I did ever since I was a child. I did not go to any formal college. After 8, I had stopped studying and I did everything corresponding. So I am a corresponding man. When I scored 62 in English, I felt that I have conquered the world. Because while working and then, and scoring a mark of 62, it was a big thing. And besides that, trust me, I am a second class student. But what I did was that I had one thing in my mind, that whatever I want to do, I want to do the best. For example, if I was a security guard, I used to ensure that whatever the things that needs to be done by a security guard, that needs to be fulfilled properly. And once you are thorough with your job, whatever you are doing, then start observing other people who are doing and aspire to become that. So from a security guard, I became a peon in an embassy, which was a Sudan embassy in South Extension. I worked there for 2 years. While being a peon, I started learning how to use typewriter. That time it used to be those machine typewriter, not like that we have iPad and the Apple MacBook Pro and all those things. Those were not available. There used to be basic typewriters where people used to work on those machines. So I started learning that. I did stenotyping. Steno's job I learned from a nearby institution. And then after that, I did what are the communication that needs to be done. I used to read every letter that used to be written by between the company, between the cities, between countries. Because Sudan embassy used to provide visas to the people who used to go from India. So every work that is supposed to be done there, being a peon, I used to study that. There was a very elderly librarian who used to be there. He told me, "What are you doing these days?" I said, "बस काम करता हूँ और कुछ नहीं करता हूँ." तो इससे पहले तुम जवान सा लड़के हो, देखने में भी सुंदर लगते हो, लगता है तुम अच्छे खानदान से हो, तो आप ऐसा क्यों नहीं करते हो? Why don't you study further? Because after 8, I had stopped studying. I felt that जब क्या करना तो पैसे आने लगते हैं. The moment you start earning money, the first thing that you compromise is your training, your study, and your listening. But trust me, things which is not important, you will realize after many years that why did I not do that? So he gave me this peace of mind and he said that you should start studying. So that very year I took an admission in open school and I did my 10th. After that I went to UP board, then I did my graduation. Then I started pursuing other studies. I did some few courses from XLRI. I did few things from here and there. I did from Equal Hotel Management, Switzerland, staying in India. How I did it? I used to read each and every book on food and beverage. I used to read each and every book on operations management. Because I felt that the exam नहीं दिया हो तो क्या हुआ, but I need to know everything. Today, whatever I am heading a company which is worth 7,000 crore, and I am playing a very, very vital role in this organization. So my basic focus is the person who has got potential in getting things out of it. I try and work upon them. So what I do is that the biggest thing what the lady just said, that change management. That's the most important thing within the organization. So from there, somebody came in the embassy, and then somebody suggested that since you are smart, you are young, why don't you get into hotel industry? So there was a sales executive who used to come. I just went for an interview over there at the Oberoi. I was selected as a trainee assistant steward. I said, wow, this is good. I can see a lot of charming things in and around. Lot of foreign people coming. So what happened in this bargain? I started my English started becoming refined day by day, because it was I was paid to speak in English. I was paid to respect customers. I was paid to do things. So I felt that no, I should do this and then get further apart. So within that organization only, in 16 months, from a trainee assistant steward, I got a junior captain designation. Then there was a new hotel which opened. I joined them as captain. Then I worked there for almost 6 years. In 6 years, after 6 years, I joined Park Royal Nehru Place, which is the Lalit today, and I worked with them for 6 years. So 14 years from trainee assistant steward to assistant director food and beverage, I really had to slog. When the hotel was closed, when it was in the opening stage, everybody used to go and watch movie in Sapna Cinema, play cricket, but I used to sit over there and work on budgeting, work on uh, strategies and everything. So that's the reason I feel very happy. Along with my designation today, there is group president, and I've specifically kept chief strategy officer because strategy has been there ever since I was in the hotel. And second thing, which after hotel is a very, very secured atmosphere. When you are in the college, there are teachers to guide you. You have your parents. You have your admin people. There are other people who look after you. Hotel is also a similar environment. Once you come out of the hotel, and then you get into sectors like retail, which is barista. It was, that from a very, very, what do you call, a very high-end atmosphere, getting into a small shop, you actually get frustrated at that point in time. कहाँ मैं इतने बड़े 5 स्टार डीलर होटल में एसी की कैबिन में बैठ के लोग मुझसे मिलने के लिए आते थे. नाउ सफाई कर्मचारी, पुलिस वाला और कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस, सब लोगों के साथ आपकी इंटरेक्शन होती है. प्लेस लाइक a very small outlet like Barista. So 2 years I did Barista over there. That was my real thing where I started escalating whatever I had learned, the finesse, the style, the hospitality bit, the strategy, and of course the people skills management, where I used to have the CR with the people. That is what I started, what I had learned over there, I could exercise in Barista. So within 2 years time, from one outlet to 75 outlets is what I did. So I left Barista when it was 101, which I opened in Bangalore, and after that I joined Barista. And after that I joined PVR. So in PVR also it was in a very nascent stage. There were only 12 schools. So when I left them, it was 120. I have joined as a cinema general manager. When I left them, I was associate vice president for operations and strategic planning. So then I felt that since I have got so much of experience in different fields, so I should look at places where I can actually unleash whatever I have learned. So I got a very good format in the form of SRS. You could see that there are multiple domains. Actually, how it happened was that SRS had taken and franchisee operations relationship with PVR Cinema. So I used to go and could see how they were very, very passionate about taking their organization to different levels. So I made up my mind, and then I said that let me stick to this organization and take it to the different level, so that tomorrow, along with this organization, I would also have certain positions in the in the system, in the industry. Now, in this message, what I'm trying to tell you is that, of course, the training, the learning, and everything, you should take it from a very high end. You aim very high. But when you actually want to accelerate during your career, there is a very famous saying that it is better to be a head of a goat than to be a tail of a lion. आप एक बहुत सिक्योर्ड एनवायरनमेंट में रहते हो, आप एक रिलायंस जैसी कंपनी है या जिसे जनरल मोटर्स जैसी कंपनी है. Of course, the strategy is that a guy who was tied Karnataka in General Motors would also eye for becoming a CEO of the company. But at the same time, if you have the time to accelerate, you must get into this mode that take training from the best places available. Take all the tools. कहते हैं कि if you go हिरन की शिकार करने के लिए आपको शेर की हथियार लेके जाना चाहिए. So whenever there is an opportunity that you get, you should always take training from the best places. Take a best management schools. Interact with the best faculties that is available. Go and study the case studies here and there, which is the best practices. We always study the failures, but we don't study the success stories. At times, हमको ये सब कुछ पता है कि इंडियन टीम तो इसलिए खराब हुआ था because there was one person who came and had a problem with the captain, this and that. But how did Dhoni got into it and then got India into that scenario? We would just like to enjoy. We don't want to study. हम उसको पढ़ना नहीं चाहते कि अच्छा ऐसा क्या क्या चीज हुआ होगा. There will be people who will be coming and giving you various things. So out of that, you can't pick up, 100%, because there is a very specific mode. You can only take 20% whatever I'll be telling you today. Maybe I'll be taking 15 minutes, 1 hour, or whatever time. But out of that, you will only be able to carry 20% from here, from whatever I would be saying. But that 20%, if you utilize it in a very passionate way, to your day-to-day experience, to your day-to-day career craft, building your career craft, then you want to really make good out of it. Just imagine this college, this institute is working so hard in getting so many people who have got various experiences of their life, have seen various, seasons of their life. They would come here and they share their experience and expertise. So my advice and my recommendation to all the people who are coming up, because we have to understand one thing, that you are not a temporary piece. You are the future of tomorrow. As I was just sitting downstairs and we were just talking about that कि हम लोग की जो 10 साल है आज की डेट में, we are actually investing for your future, right? फ्लाईओवर्स बन रहे हैं, मेट्रो बन रहे हैं, अलग अलग तरीके के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बिल्ड हो रहे हैं. It's going to take at least 10 to 12, 15 years to get that. Who's investing in that? Because when you come out in a very swanky car tomorrow, you will not have any problems. You will have flyover, you will have good greenery in and around. Who's actually suffering? The lady over here, or the faculty who has been, in and around you. So please utilize those. Respect that people have given that at their best juncture of time to take you to a different distance. That was a brief thing that I had in my life. I'll share few things that I have encountered in my life. What are the incidents? What are the things that I have seen? And why do I always feel that there was one of the meetings that I had attended where a lot of people were there in your NDIM only, which was organized by the institute. And there was one thing, all the people were giving ideas that how can we make the future generation more confident and more competent so that tomorrow they can take on head on. Because There are some things that institute can provide. There are some things which you will have to imbibe from your generation. So gene बोलते हैं. And there are few things which can be made. Over a period of 30 years, out of 30 years, almost half of my career has been with film industry. Because my focus is more into film and exhibition, talking to the actors and the actresses, to the veteran actors, producers, directors, all those things that I have been doing. Because I have been organizing various events and various things, and I have attended and I have invited a lot of people and attended so many functions that I have their examples only to keep in front of you. I see a lot of interviews of various actors and actresses. At times, even I have my two daughters, so हम लोग इकट्ठे ही घर पे television देखते हैं. So whenever these serious things come, so what they slowly get up, without letting me know, कि इसका पापा को नहीं पता चलना चाहिए. They would go to a drawing room and watch another thing which is of interest to them. But I can tell them, I know you must be also behaving like daddies and moms at home would be doing the same thing. So I tell them, so please, I would not force you, but request you to see these interviews. Look at the hardship. Not even one person in my life that I have seen, कि वो तो जी golden spoon से बन के आया था, and वो टपका था. It's not Mahabharata. Mahabharata, respect, everything is fine. I'm a very God-loving person, not fearing, God-loving person. But हो सकता है कि वो सच हो, लेकिन ये वो है कि देखिए किसी का ध्यान किया और एक बलवान बच्चा आ गया. ऐसा नहीं होता है लाइफ में. You have to actually work for it to get somebody really stalwart. चाहे वो मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी हो, although I am not a BJP person, but लेकिन फिर भी although Mr. Narendra Modi, who used to be a चाय वाला, or there are so many films, अभी last time only I have seen Anupam Kher show. In that, Priyanka Chopra she came and said that अगर मेरी जैसी disfigured लड़की, आलसी लड़की और the word is बदसूरत लड़की, अगर यहाँ तक पहुँच सकता है तो कोई भी कुछ भी हो सकता है लाइफ में. So nobody has had a golden spoon. Now somebody would say that let's look at Anil Ambani. No, but please, hey, try and understand. पता नहीं किसी ने गुरु देखा है नहीं देखा होगा. I'm sure. हाथ उठाएं किसने गुरु देखा है? Almost सभी ने देखा है. His father has really flopped like anything. Today, my daughter Tusha would not say, I've got two daughters, Tusha and Sagarika. वो लोग को बहुत सारी comfort हम देते हैं. But they can't say that, okay, मैं तो सिर्फ बस ऐसे आया हूँ. They have also experienced things. They have also experienced things which I'm sure in times to come that they would realize that half of the things I would have not done it. I always give my daughters the examples that when I was 32, I started working on computers. आज मैंने आपको at the age of 18, I've given you a MacBook Pro because I want that you should have everything nice. You should learn everything nicely. You will have an Apple mobile. Everything is there. So we all tell them, but they feel that it's available. So why not? So for them, it's something like they should get it, and I think it's okay. आपके ज़माना वो अलग था, आज के ज़माना वो अलग है. Why I'm mentioning this to you people is that like first and the foremost, you should not have in this mind that when you go out of this college and feel that okay, the world is a stage and it's all below me. You have to actually work from word scratch. You can take all the materials. हो सकता है कि टिंकू सिंह को 30 साल लग जाएंगे, आपको 12 साल लगने चाहिए, 8 साल लगने चाहिए. लेकिन लगेंगे तो जरूर. You will have to invest. Maybe the speed may differ. If I could learn a computer at the age of 32, I'm sure at the age of 7, 8, 9, at the most 10, you people must have already been doing a faster car racing on your mobile and the computer. So that's the gap. That's the only gap. But the journey is not that hard. It's not that it's not a cakewalk. When you go out to this college, you are all in a very secure environment at this point in time. When you go over there, first and the foremost, We all promote कि कॉलेज में रैगिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए. Organization में the ragging is not simple. You will not even come to know that somebody is ragging. Somebody will tell you the best of the things, but yet the moment you turn your back, then we'll have your what do you call analysis. What this person is and what this person is not. So your first foot forward out of the college has to be different from what it is here. What you do, how you talk, how you present yourself, what you speak will make a lot of difference. Okay, great. Everybody stretch, I know. मैंने 30 साल गुजारे आपने नहीं गुजारे. So everybody laugh out loud, please. LOL कहते हैं ना आप लोग. Please. Can anybody, everybody on their feet, please? Everybody stand, please. क्या यार आप लोग तो stretch yourself. Stretch yourself. Yeah. Now I feel that I am part of, I have come to a college. Right here, please, please, please sit down. I know it's a very boring thing. एक आदमी थोड़ा सा बाल सफेद आएगा और उसके बाद में आपको 1 घंटा 2 घंटा आपको लेक्चर देगा और चला जाएगा. But I want you to take few things, just 1 or 2 things. Don't take a lot of things, because trust me, in our organization, in our industries, we have been associated with our negotiations, whatever we do. There are a lot of big parties that happen, but just carry 1 or 2 things. I will only speak for 5 to 10 minutes more. Very frankly speaking, I don't know what I will speak. But what do you want to hear? Okay, let me hear from you people. कि आपको क्या सुनना है? Okay, I have an operation expertise, I have got sales and marketing expertise, business development expertise, and I'm sure अगर इसके बाद में थोड़ा बहुत मुझे याद रखेंगे तो you will see me in newspaper on all sorts of things. One on some of the other things. Yesterday only I was there talking about the Majhi getting leaked on the internet, and there's Independence Day में क्या हो रहा है उसका, और कहीं टिकट की प्राइसिंग ऊपर नीचे होता है उसका, रिटेल में कोई अप्स एंड डाउन होता है तो उसके बारे में I poke my nose everywhere. So from tomorrow onwards you will, if ever you will see Tinku Singh, so then you will remember. So PR is another very good forte that I have. इनमें से कोई एक लाइट बंद हो सकता है प्लीज, ये मेरी आंखों को हर्ट कर रहा है. सॉरी यार, आप लोगों को मैं परेशान कर रहा हूँ. आई वांट टू बी लिटिल मोर इंटरेस्टिंग. सो व्हाट डू यू पीपल वांट टू हियर? मैं आपको वो सुनाना चाहता हूँ जो आप लोग सुनना चाहते हैं. वो नहीं सुनाना चाहता हूँ जो मैं सुनाना चाहता हूँ. बिकॉज होता है ना कि एन एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन कम अपनी जहां कहीं भी, मैं अपने बच्चों को नहीं सुना पाया, अपने जो है पुलिस को नहीं सुना पाया या अपने सबॉर्डिनेट को नहीं सुना पाया, देन आई स्टार्ट डाउनलोडिंग. आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट. आई वांट टू गिव व्हाट यू वांट फ्रॉम मी. So I told you my 5, 6 things that I have with me. So let me ask at random. Okay. The gentleman, आज मैंने चेक पहन के ऐसे करना, आपके पीछे वाला बाइक क्या सुनना चाहता है? नहीं, क्वेश्चन आंसर है. अभी क्वेश्चन आंसर है. क्या सुनना चाहते हैं? पहले 5 मिनट वो कर लेते हैं. उसके बाद में we will say that I'll answer all your queries. I have actually earmarked almost an hour and a half. So I want this session to be memorable for you as well for me, as well as for you. Actually, you know what? I wanted to get my daughters along with me today, especially the elder one, because she's in the 4th year. तो लेकिन फिर मैंने सोचा कि पता नहीं आप लोग का क्या ये रहेगा, तो I wanted to ask. लेकिन next time onwards I would request the institute, so that उनको भी पता लगे कि हाँ मेरे पिताजी में कुछ है, उनको भी ऐसा लगे. क्योंकि आई एम श्योर अगर आप लोगों में से किसी एक का डैडी अगर यहाँ आके बात कर रहा होता ना, तो बोलता बस घर में भी लेक्चर सुनो और यहाँ भी सुनो. Trust me. So people should take it in a very positive way. बताएं क्या? Success mantra. Everybody wants success mantra. Okay. Next. Anybody? Another check with the red. आप. Sorry यार, मेरे को आप लोगों का नाम नहीं पता होगा अभी. आप. Anything that you want to hear. I told you those. Everybody wants success mantra, strategy. Okay. What else? Somebody from the back, red t-shirt. Red t-shirt with white. Yes, you have my eye contact. Operations. Okay. Somebody from the front. Yeah. Sales and marketing. It's a very confusing thing, trust me. Sales and marketing. PR. Okay. Business development. Every day. Okay. 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 First and foremost is our business development. I will take it. Why? Because that's the starting of your anything. कहते हैं ना कि whenever there is an affection, चाहे वो आपकी when a baby is born, the baby is in a क्या कहते हैं उसको cradle में होता है पहले और नर्स आपको बुलाता है कि मुबारक हो आपको बेटा हुआ या आपको बेटी हुआ तो पहली नजर जो जाता है between the father and the daughter or the father or the son because the mom is already in the pain after that desire thing that happens towards a pain. I don't know why only there should be some percentage of pain. Even the father should get it, but I don't know why. But that's how the law is, the law of the nature, so we can't tell. So पहला जो if there is a true sense of belongingness between the family, तो पहली नजरों में जब जाता है ना तो there is a तो you get that धुंधलापन coming out. So you don't even know कि अच्छा मेरे को मेरी डॉटर दिख रही है नहीं दिख रही, but you automatically say that she is beautiful. वो बहुत गोरी है, चाहे कैसी भी हो, बहुत सुंदर है. बच्चा उसको बिल्कुल मेरा जैसा लगता है, लेकिन एक्चुअली में क्या होता है? धुंधलापन. That's business development. That's the first contact you see. You go to a site, you get into any meeting, then the first sight that you have, you don't know. Today when I entered inside, everybody clapped. मैंने किसी को देखा ही नहीं. But I am sure उनमें से कुछ एक आंख ऐसी होगी जिसमें से मेरे को वो I could have that eye contact, and that's the reason. Trust me. जब मैंने सबसे पहले बोला तो मैंने आपको बोला. Yes, आप बताएं कुछ. That's business development. That is basically if you have an experience and expertise, you will automatically come to know, okay, I can relate. Or somebody who is going to get business from a company would give that thing. It's called, there's a very famous book called, I don't remember that book's name, Blink. There's a book, please, अभी नहीं, अपने बाद में कभी भी आपको समय मिले तो वो Blink पढ़ लेना. उसमें क्या हो जाता है कि first sight में there is no explanation, there is no arithmetic, there is no algebra, and there is no sales and marketing jargon. There is nothing at all. But at the first sight you see that कि आपको पहली नजर में आपको देखें इसके साथ मुझे बिजनेस करना है, इसके साथ नहीं करना है, इसके साथ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करना है, इसके साथ नहीं करना है, इस कंपनी के साथ मैं जुड़ूंगा, कंपनी के साथ नहीं जुड़ूंगा. The first thing, that's the importance of business development. And business development is only an extract of an experience. It never comes from any book. I will give you 100 books and I will say that एक कमरे में बंद कर लो और उसके बाद पढ़ाई करना शुरू करो. You will come out with nothing. Trust me, you will not come out with anything. At the end of the day, you will say that you will start giving examples from that book, but you will actually not come to know that okay, it was business development. Because business development is something which comes from your experience, how you have dealt. Because whatever you have done, even if you have learned driving today, you have been driving for past 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 20 years from now also, if you don't do driving even one bit, लेकिन गाड़ी देखो तो आप गाड़ी उठाते आप किसी के ऊपर मारोगे नहीं. आप पहली बार आपको हो सकता है कि आपके मैकेनिज्म समझने में 1-2 मिनट 10 मिनट लग जाए. दैट इज कॉल्ड लेमेटाइजेशन. उसके लिए वक्त लग सकता है. So you don't forget anything. So business development is something which is over a period of time that you have collected. Second things in life is that how can I tell whatever I am doing? किसी ने मेरे को कहा PR के बारे में. How can I tell that I am doing? 30 साल हो गए मुझे, मैं ये भी करता हूँ, मैं ये करता हूँ, वो करता हूँ. लेकिन if I am not sharing, PR is not only newspaper, television, or editorial. That's the last exercise of PR. PR is that I have a relationship with you and me, both of you. That's the PR. How can I gel? आप लोगों ने अभी recently 2 states देखा. How can a guy from Punjabi family, start actually liking the South Indian family and gets together? That's PR. How can I go in a worst scenario and then I can take the benefit out of it. What can I learn from it, and how can I exercise in my day-to-day life? That's PR. And then somebody talked about sales and marketing, a most confusing subject. Trust me, the day you enter into an organization, your sales and marketing starts there and then. The first thing your sales and marketing is, सबसे पहले आप कपड़े पहन के जाते हो. I used to see my daughters getting dressed when she used to go to a school, and then the transition I saw in the college. So that first bit of change in attire is sales and marketing. Just a correction, it's marketing in sales. Why marketing in sales? Because जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. जब आप कुछ दिखाओगे तो आप बेच पाओगे. So the first thing starts from your home. The first thing what I used to see, my daughters used to stare at me when I used to get dressed up. यार आज मैं थोड़ा सा स्मार्ट बन के जाना चाहता हूँ. तो पहला क्वेश्चन आता था, पापा क्या बात है? ठीक है ना? You understand? That's sales and marketing. So you start your sales and marketing from home. So trust me, you just visualize home. You'll get business development, you get sales and marketing, you get PR, you get operations management. When I started my career, the first so-called salary used to be 232 rupees, which is 11 rupees 60 paisa for 12 hours, which I used to get. When I got married, I was getting 3,200 rupees. And my wife had to manage in that 3,200 rupees. Of course, उस जमाने का 3,200 और आज में फर्क है. लेकिन फिर भी had to manage. That's an operations management. How a lady, and today when I give her 5 lakh rupees हाथ में या अच्छे से खर्चा चलाने तो बोलता है वो पूरा नहीं होता. 3200 में पूरा पड़ता था, आज 5 लाख में पूरा नहीं होता. That's operations management. You increase your horizon as per your resources available in and around. So trust me, these books, these things, everything which is there, the faculty who come and give you all sorts of examples of life is very important. But please, just have a close watch on your house relationship. Mom, dad, mother, daughter, father, son, father, daughter, uncle, auntie. These relationships are all running in an organization. You exactly need to know that. अगर दो भाइयों के फैमिली साथ में रहते होंगे तो मैं अपने बेटे को तो मार दूंगा, मैं अपने भाई के बेटे को नहीं मारूंगा. मैं That's an office politics somebody told me. Who asked me? Office politics, yes. So those learnings needs to be there right from the beginning. आप घर पे अगर आप परिपूर्ण कहते हैं कि जब क्या होता है कई बार मैं अपनी बीवी को बोलता हूँ कि आज टाइम दिए मेरे को खाना, मेरे को कोई ब्रेकफास्ट पूरे दिन मुझे एक पैसे का कुछ नहीं मिलता. कहीं चला जाता हूँ कोई मीटिंग में, कोई ऐसी जगह चला जाता हूँ जहाँ की मेरे को चाय पसंद नहीं आएगी, कहीं वो बिस्किट नहीं पसंद आएगा, कहीं का डोसा खराब होगा, कहीं का चाउमीन ठीक नहीं होगा. You know, the whole day is bad. But if I have a fantastic lunch or breakfast at home, I get everything. So what is this? We all need to think that if your breakfast is right, your the whole day's meal is super. रात तक आपको लगता है यार आपको मजा आता है. क्यों होता है ऐसा? That means you are filled. So if your education and if your upbringing and if your surroundings and if you yourself open up yourself, all your senses and look at home every day, trust me, watch your bai working at home. She will teach you some of the best employee and officer relationships. They'll teach you that. You tell them, she'll just glare at you and she'll say nothing. Same is the case. Same is the case. How does that happen? So it is only that bigger and bigger the world becomes. कोई माई होती है, कोई भाई होता है, कोई चाची होती है, कोई चाचा होता है, कोई चाचा का लड़का होता है. So these are all the relationships because it has all grown from there only. If you see the first man and first woman, if you see, there were only two of them. I'm sure. जो भी हम लोग को आप लोग को जो भी पता है, right? यही होगा ना? So from there the transition must have started to this stage where you have got world, you have got billions and billions of people. तो बड़ा चांस से बोलता हूँ कि okay, when I joined SRS, it was 100 crore company. and today we are 7,700 crore company. So when it used to be a 100 crore company, me and chairman we used to sit together and we used to make strategies. आज मुझे डेढ़ महीने में एक महीने में एक बार ही हो जाता होगा कि मेरे को मौका मिलता है कि I sit with him. Or when there is a consortium that happens, then I do it. Otherwise, I don't have time to lead. But that doesn't mean that I don't know how to carry his vision, what he had 10 years back, that I don't know what to carry. Very interesting thing that I'll tell you that, there were multicolored logos that we had in our organization. There was first green, red, and blue. Then it came those rings, logo, and everything. I wish I had some presentation because I was traveling and I was not sick. I mean, I was not well, so I could not get it. But I wanted because in one of the SRCC that I had gone last month. Yeah, I had taken that presentation and they really liked it. Is that then we sat down and we hired an external agency and we said that what is that we do that we don't get bothered for say at least 30 years from now. So whatever you pick it up today, you need to say that 30 साल के बाद में उसके repercussion क्या होगा, उसकी अच्छाई क्या होगा, उसका बुराई क्या होगा. So we sat down and we started making a logo of a company. So today, what you see, I have in my card. I'll show you that logo, which we made. We feel that today also every time we feel maybe we are passionate. That's the reason why we feel. But today we feel that it is much older than 50 years also now. हम शायद 50 साल से इसको काम करते हुए आ रहे हैं, 50 साल तक इसको चेंज नहीं करेंगे. Why? Because there was a thought within that logo creation. I'm sure a lot of companies do that. Logos, they don't just do it कि अच्छा आज मुझे लाल हरा पीला नीला पसंद आ गया कर दो, ऐसा नहीं होता. There's a thought that goes behind it. It actually displays the character analysis of the managing director, the chairman, and the group of people. That happens. There's this famous वो मैं अकेला था चलता गया कारवा बनता लोग जुड़ते गए कारवा बनता गया. You actually experience that. If a person in an organization has got a very strong association with God, spirituality, almost everybody you will find in that same manner. If a person is a golfer, you will have most of the people having some or the other way of golfing, or getting into a scenario where you get into that liking of that thing. So it is basically a funnel treatment that you get all the way. So that's how it is. So rather than whatever you read in the books, those are all case studies and everything. Study your home more effectively. You will have sales and marketing. You will have business development. You will have PR. You will have operations management. You will have HR. Look at your father or your mother, how they deal with an intelligent guy at your family, and how is a person treated when a person is not, he's careless about life and things according to the dad and the mom. It makes a lot of difference. What else? बहुत हो गया आज के लिए. सर मैं रोज सुनता हूँ ये अपने पापा से, रोज सुनता हूँ ये मम्मी से, जिंदगी में क्या करना है क्या करना है, वो सुनाओ. आई एम आस्किंग यू, it's an open house, please ask me what do you want to hear, because your college, your institution has invested. I have also chalked out some time out of it, and then I have come here, so I want to deliver as much as possible. So should we open for the question answer? कितने जने कितने बोर हुए? अच्छा हाथ उठाओ. Honest. Let me see who is an honest person here. Right. Yes. You said something. Nobody is bored. Come on. This is the first. Listen. Abhi recently I have completed 25 years of operations in the. Or my company has completed 25 years. So मैं यहाँ ना बोलता रहता हूँ मैं. I also take this. Mic is something which I can't leave. अगर किसी ने मेरे को एक बार पकड़ा दिया तो जब तक आदमी परेशान नहीं हो जाता मैं छोड़ता नहीं हूँ mic. Okay? And that's the reason PR film fraternity is a very strong, which I have. That's one of the quality I do it. So all the in spite of hiring an anchor also, I take the mic and I do the entire comparing and everything I do it myself. So my chairman just said that, Piku Singh ji, आप एक काम करें, सबको पूछें कि वो कुछ कहना चाहते हैं. course, the chairman, and everybody was sitting over there. And I said that, okay, now let's have somebody coming and saying two words. So not even one person got up and came forward, you know. So my chairman just after everything got over, my chairman went to the dais and said he wanted to. जब सबसे पहले मैं जानबूझ के ये जानना चाहता था कि अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में या अपनी एक्सपीरियंस और अपनी चीजों के बारे में ऑनेस्टली क्या बोल सकता है कोई, क्या फील करता है, एंड कैन आई वॉइस माय ओपिनियन? दैट्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. जब तक आप लोग किसी को कुछ बोलोगे नहीं कि मुझे वो चाहिए, वो देयर इज अ वेरी फेमस थिंग. आपकी आपकी जो मॉम भी जो है ना, अगर आप इन्फेंट थे, आपको नहीं बोलना आता है कि आप तो बोल देते हैं कि आई नीड कोक, वो एक अलग चीज है. लेकिन वो भी अगर बच्चा रोए ना, तब भी बोलते हैं अच्छा भी खेल रही है ना, कोई बात नहीं, खेल रहा है ना, कोई बात नहीं, खेल ले दो. जब वो रोएगी तब दूध पिला देंगे. So when you have this experience there, why can't you think that you need to say, I am not happy within the organization, I am not happy about something. You need to voice, but not that that you need to be rude to somebody. Without being rude, without abusing somebody, without making a scene, you can put it across the world in a nicest way, and that's very very clear. तो वो एक बार पूछता हूँ, कौन बोर हुआ मेरे सेशन? कोई तो एक होगा. लेट मी सी द ऑनेस्ट पर्सन. नोबडी. सर आप तो चले जाओगे तो मेरी फैकल्टी हम लोगों को छोड़ेगा नहीं. ऐसा नहीं. ओके. I am honored. Trust me, there are some qualities. People have knowledge, they can't say. I don't have knowledge, but yet I can, ये फर्क हो जाता है. And maybe that's the reason, that I was always, I would not call it extrovert, but I was always free. मैं जिंदगी में हमेशा ये सोचा कि बोल जरूर लेना चाहिए. चाहे when I was young, किसी लड़की पसंद आती थी तो उसको बोल देता, एक बार ही बोल दो, वो ना ही तो करेगी ना, उससे ज्यादा क्या करेगी वो, है ना. लेकिन अपनी दायरे में, God, I made something. Is this a statement? बट दायरे में रहे, किसी को परेशानी नहीं होनी चाहिए. लेकिन एक बार जाकर पूछना, मैंने वो रॉक स्टार देख रहा था 2-3 दिन पहले आ रहा था, तो गाय गोज एंड से स्ट्रेट साथ में बोल देता, you never know, the girl actually has something for you, or for that matter ulta. I got 2 daughters. I tell my daughters, first I'm your friend, then I'm your dad. अपनी मॉम को कुछ नहीं बोल सकती है. She lost a mobile, expensive mobile. The first thing she does is she calls me and she starts crying. I said, why are you crying? हो गया ना. अब वो पहले, I tell my daughters that let's first counter external things. फिर आपको मारना, पीटना, आपके साथ बातचीत करना वो बाद में करेंगे. लेकिन first external, because I as a father, मैं आपको कोई परेशानी नहीं देखने वाला. I will not want that you should be hurt anywhere else. So if there is a boyfriend problem, please come and discuss with me. I will give you a better way out. Because I am in the service industry, I was with the film industry, I was with the hotels, I have a better experience. I am आज का father, I am not 1942 का father. I tell my kids. तो इसी कारण, where was I? Sorry, यार. So I was saying that that people have got knowledge, but people can't express it forward. But there are people who have got less knowledge, but if they voice their opinion straightforward, at least somebody will hear. In that rock star music again, Shammi Kapoor goes and he says, if you must have recalled, वो बोलता है बच्चे को ऊपर पैसे लगा दो. Somebody will be watching from somewhere out of roughly 90-100 people, जितने भी लोग हैं आप लोग. I must have not been able to impress everybody. Somebody will be like, यार क्या बोल कर रहा है, जल्दी खत्म हो और निकल, क्योंकि मेरे पास कुछ और काम भी है. But there will be one or two people who would be thinking, बात तो ठीक करना. वो बात तो ठीक करने वाला, that person is enough for me. Because I must have delivered something which they would carry. So let's have this question answer sessions or anything you want to ask. मैंने तो बोल दिया सब कुछ जो बोलना था, पता नहीं कुछ बोला. हाँ प्लीज. And listen here, बिंदास. Please don't think that there is a faculty over here. आपकी बाद में आपकी रैगिंग होगी या कुछ भी और कुछ नहीं. जो पूछना है पूछो. Even if something is nasty, I will try and make it as simple as possible and translate it to you.
I have a very simple question.
please.
According to you, what brought you from the position that you were at 30 years back to the position that you are at today? Was it plain hard work and luck, or was it only luck and hard work that you were doing? Everybody was doing the same amount of hard work.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for asking this question. Uh, First and foremost is faith in God. फर्स्ट एंड फोकस देयर इज अ पावर. अगर आपका हार्ट बिना बैटरी के चल रहा है तो कोई एक ऐसा पावर है जो कि 20 साल 60 साल 100 साल कोई आपको नहीं दे रहा है. somebody is working on it. We don't know. It's not proven. अल्लाह है, भगवान है,